For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a used tire business can be a profitable venture due to high demand for affordable tire solutions. Many drivers, especially those with budget constraints, rely on quality used tires for their vehicles. With the rise of free AI tools, you can now streamline the entire business setup from planning to marketing without the need for expensive consultants or technical expertise. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of launching your used tire business using free AI tools, including practical prompt suggestions and how to apply each tool effectively. Step 1. Research the market and identify demand. Before anything else, understand your local market. Use free AI tools like ChatGPT to simulate market research, gather data on consumer preferences, and assess competition. You can input location-specific queries to generate insights. Prompt example. Act as a business consultant and give me a market analysis for starting a used tire business in your city/state. Include potential customer segments, competition, and growth trends. You can also use Google Trends free to search for keywords like used tires near me or cheap tires and identify demand trends by region. Step 2. Define your business model and niche. Decide if you want to focus on passenger vehicle tires, truck tires, performance tires, or a mix. Will you sell locally, online, or both? Use ChatGPT to refine your business model and analyze different approaches. Prompt example. List the pros and cons of focusing only on used passenger car tires versus including truck tires. Which niche has higher profit potential and fewer competitors? You can also explore tools like Notion AI for brainstorming ideas and structuring your vision in a digital workspace. Step 3. Write a business plan. A solid business plan helps secure funding and guides your operations. ChatGPT can draft a full business plan customized to your inputs. Prompt example. Write a detailed business plan for a used tire business and location, focusing on acquiring, inspecting, and reselling used tires. Include sections for executive summary, market analysis, operations, marketing, and financial projections. You can refine this plan further using Google Docs for formatting and Grammarly for grammar correction. Step 4. Legal setup and licensing. Every business must comply with local regulations. AI can help create a checklist of permits and licenses you might need. Prompt example. What licenses, permits, and environmental regulations apply to a used tire resale business in state/city? Although AI can't file for licenses, it can point you toward relevant state departments. Use this list to prepare documents and consult local authorities. Step 5. Source your used tires. Determine how you will acquire inventory. This could include partnerships with auto shops, salvage yards, or wholesalers. ChatGPT can assist you in creating outreach emails or negotiation scripts. Prompt example. Write a professional email to a local auto repair shop asking if they would be willing to sell or donate used tires that meet certain conditions. You can also use ChatGPT to create a tire quality checklist to standardize your inspection process. Step 6. Set up your storage and shop. You need a location to store and possibly install tires. If you're starting small, even a garage or rented storage unit might work. Use AI tools like RoomGPT to visualize how to organize your space efficiently. Prompt example. Give me layout ideas for storing 500 used tires safely in a 500 square foot space, considering fire safety and access. ChatGPT can also generate a list of necessary tools and equipment for storage, inspection, and installation. Step 7. Price your products. Pricing is critical. Use ChatGPT to compare your prices with local competitors. Prompt example. Suggest a pricing strategy for used tires based on different tread depths, brands, and sizes. Include examples of prices used by competitors in your city. You can also simulate profit margin calculations using Google Sheets and ask ChatGPT for help with formulas. Step 8. Create a marketing plan. To attract customers, you'll need visibility. ChatGPT can generate a detailed marketing plan that includes local SEO, social media, and flyer campaigns. Prompt example: create a local marketing plan for a used tire business. Include digital marketing tactics, local advertising, and referral programs. Free tools like Canva can help you design logos, business cards, and flyers using AI-powered templates. Pair it with ChatGPT to write catchy slogans or ad copy. Prompt for Canva flyer copy: write a headline and 3 selling points for a flyer advertising affordable used tires in your city. Include a call to action. You can also set up a free website using platforms like Google Sites or Wix's free plan. Use ChatGPT to generate your About page, service descriptions, and contact info. Prompt example: write a homepage introduction for a used tire business and location, emphasizing affordability, quality, and fast service. Step 9. Launch on social media and online platforms. Use Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, OfferUp, and other free platforms to list your tires. ChatGPT can write product descriptions optimized for each platform. Prompt example: write a product description for a set of 4 used Michelin tires. 215/60 are 16, 75% tread left, suitable for sedans. Mention condition, price, and pickup location. You can also schedule posts using free social media management tools like Buffer's Basic Plan. Use ChatGPT to draft a content calendar. Prompt example: create a 30-day social media content calendar for a used tire business. Include post ideas for Facebook and Instagram. Step 10. Provide great customer service and collect reviews. Encourage happy customers to leave reviews on Google and Facebook. ChatGPT can generate follow-up messages to request testimonials. Prompt example: write a polite follow-up message asking a customer to leave a Google review after buying used tires from my shop. You can also use Google Forms to collect customer feedback and ChatGPT to summarize common improvement suggestions. Conclusion: starting a used tire business no longer requires large upfront costs or professional consultants. With free AI tools like ChatGPT, Google Sheets, Canva, and more, you can build your business smarter, faster, and more efficiently. From writing a business plan and sourcing inventory to launching marketing campaigns and optimizing operations, AI gives you the edge. By combining traditional hustle with digital intelligence, you can turn a simple tire into a powerful stepping stone toward financial freedom. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.